Hi everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen, and today we are making a Caprese salad.
Yes, it's great for summer. It's going to be super fresh.
And we are putting our secret ingredient in powder for that extra healthy kick.
So we started chopping cherry tomatoes, and you just have them with a very sharp knife. About a quarter cup of fresh parsley and about a tablespoon of fresh basil. And add it to the mixture.
Mini bocconcini. That is...
So this is the pearl size. Yeah, so we don't even have to cut them. And just add it in. Okay, we're gonna make the dressings. So we are going to be adding
powdered.
So we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of powdered.
So this is the non-flavored powder, which you can basically use in anything that you make.
Anything.
Literally. So we're putting 1 teaspoon.
Yeah. Okay, so you can mix it straight in, or you can also just mix it into the dressing. So in this dressing, we have olive oil. We have a little bit of oregano that I just put in. This is some honey. And 1 clove of garlic. Mix it all into the salad. And here we have some red wine vinegar. It smells really good. This is a perfect weekend salad that you just have when it's outside.
You're having a barbecue.
Barbecue anytime.
And just make, and it's such an easy salad to make.
And it's
such
healthy,
an easy recipe.
Healthy,
and I like the pearl bocconcini.
Yeah, it's pretty. So then we're just going to season with salt and pepper to taste. So I start off with just a little bit and kind of go from there. Look how fresh and pretty and colorful this is. You ready?
I'm ready.
So look how pretty this is.
Yum.
So good.
Light.
It's super easy, fresh, light, exactly.
And I just want to say, because we're adding the powdered, it's high in fiber.
Yeah.
So you're also getting your fiber in this Caprese salad, which is...
And then we're gonna eat the whole thing.
Delicious.
It's really good. Giving this one a thumbs up. Great summer salad.
And it was so easy to make, so even someone like me can make it. And we didn't mess up.
Yay! We didn't mess up.
Thumbs up, guys.
Enjoy. Woohoo!